welcome to Fleur Kitchen! Today we're making a special episode because it's my Aunty Pat birthday! So we are going to make her a naked blue flower cake. Did I say naked? Yes, I did! Why we're making a naked cake is because I'm very little. It's hard for me to put frosting around the cake neatly. So that's why we're making a naked cake. Now these are our ingredients. We have some eggs, softened butter, flour, sugar, and milk. We also have baking powder, salt, and vanilla extract. Now let's get cooking! First, we're going to cream the butter and sugar until it's nice and fluffy. Now we're going to add in 8 eggs. We are going to add in eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. We're going to put in the vanilla extract. Now we're going to mix the baking powder and salt into the flour. We are going to mix it evenly. Next, pour the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Use your spatula to fold it. Lastly, we're going to stir in the milk. The batter has already been divided into 4 equal portions. We also added blue food coloring from the littlest to the most. So now let's get mixing. Ta-da! Look at the already blue color. The batter has already been transferred into cake pan. And it's going to be in the oven for 20 minutes at 170 degrees. The cake out of the oven! Take a metal ring and press it down in the center of the cake so that you can remove the brown edges. Ta-da! The cake layers are ready! Now it's time to put frosting! For the frosting, we need icing, sugar, softened butter, and vanilla extract. We're gonna mix it all together until it's nice and smooth. I only put a teeny bit of blue food coloring and put it into a piping bag. You just have to squeeze little dots around the cake. Take the next layer and put it on top. And repeat the whole procedure. Cut a cardboard circle and wrap it with aluminium foil. And take the frosting and put some at the back so you can stick it like glue. And stick it in the middle of the cake. Use the frosting and put dots around this aluminium foil and do randomly in the center. Ta-da! Pick some nice blue flowers like this chrysanthemum. Cut the flower, leaving 1 inch long of the stem. Now let's decorate the cake.